Probstats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with week 20 Monday. How are you guys doing? Today is the last day for your warm-up block and you should have that done. So pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. All right, if you are done, you can go ahead and submit your warm-up for period 5, which is going to be right here for this QR code. Or if you're period 6, you can go ahead and insert your warm-up log from this QR code. Both of them are pasted on MS Team for you guys to access. All right, so for today, we are going to do several things, one of which is going to be this one right here. So we're going to continue on with our popsicle sticks. So imagine that you have your popsicle stick drawn like this for the deer. And if you look at the deer, it's looking on the left side. So what I'm going to have you guys do is you're going to remove or reposition 2 sticks to make the deer look on the right. And then when you guys have figured that out, you just draw that new picture right there. So that way I know you did it correctly. And continue on with the house. It says turn the house from east to west by repositioning 2 sticks. So you guys have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then of course, just make sure you write down your answers down here. All right, next what I'm going to have you guys do is you're going to do a budget of what you spend your money on. A big portion of what we talked about this year is spending money and how we budget. So here are some reasons for a spending plan. It really helps you determine where you are spending your money currently. And it also helps you decide where to spend your money in the future. And you have an organized way to save for things that cost more, and it puts you in more of a control for your financial future, which is a great time to start right now when you guys are in high school. So people without a budget are less likely to know what they want. They have no plan, often coming up short for the next paycheck, and almost certain to have no plan to save for more expensive spending goals. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is you have this piece of paper right here, and you are essentially going to break down your spending goals. Spending plan when you are in high school right here. And I don't know, like you guys probably spend a majority of your money on food, maybe on rent, maybe on your cell phone, gas, car, maybe for your family, clothing, and I would imagine maybe some form of entertainment. So whatever you have here, it needs to add up to 100%. So start breaking this as if it is like a pie chart, okay? Then take a look at the right side. Look at yourself now. Now you are, I would say maybe like 10 years after high school, where you're more responsible. Then I want you guys to kind of break down. Imagine what you would be spending your money 10 years from now. I would think like 10 years, maybe you'll be spending your money on your kids, on a mortgage. Hopefully you wouldn't have to pay off your student loans, although a lot of people do have that. I would think about like a car payment. I would think that insurance will be a big ordeal, like health insurance and also car insurance. Maybe spending money on your wife or husband, and among other things. So it's just kind of like a comparison of where you are now versus where you could be 10 years from now, and see how your spending habits would change. All right, next one I'm having you guys do is, you guys did, this is the Harry Potter version of I Spy. And then lastly, we're just going to do some coloring because we're almost to the end of summer and we are just officially done. So make sure you guys are completing your final project. Submit your final project on MS Team. There is a link for it for you to paste your link, so I have everything compiled in one area. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.